Hello students, good morning all of you. And today is my 25th online lecture class of class 9 geography of chapter 2 about the peninsular plateau. In the previous class I told you about the peninsular plateau, that is divided into two parts, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Today I will tell you about the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass that lies to the south of the Narmada River. The Satpura Range flank its broad basin in the north, while the Mahadev, the Kamur Hills and the Michael Hills form the eastern extension. The Deccan Plateau is higher in the west and slopes gently eastwards. An extension of the plateau is also visible, known as the Meghalaya Karbi Anglong Plateau and North Kachar Hills. It is separated by fault from the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Three prominent hill ranges form the west to east are the Garo, Khasi and the Jaintia Hills. Okay, now see next one, that is about the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. This is also the part of the Peninsular Plateau. The Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat marks the western and eastern edges of the Deccan Plateau respectively. Western Ghat lie parallel to the western coast. They are continuous and can be crossed through passes only. Okay. Now see what are the differences between the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. First listen about the Western Ghat. That Western Ghat, it is higher than the Eastern Ghat and its average elevation, इसकी औसत ऊंचाई, it is 900 to 1600 meter. It is regular and continuous. एकदम सीधी खड़ी है ये. Its highest peaks are Anayamudi, which is 2695 meter, and Doda Beta, that is 2637 meter. Now about the Eastern Ghat. The Eastern Ghat that lies along the eastern coast and it is lower than the Western Ghat. Its average elevation यानी कि इसकी औसत ऊंचाई कितनी है? That is the 600 meter and it is discontinuous and irregular. ये जो ईस्टर्न घाट है ये ईस्टर्न कोस्ट की ओर कटे फटे दिखाई देते हैं और इरेगुलर है, टेढ़े मेढ़े हैं, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सी दक्षिणी भारत की नदियां यहाँ से ड्रेन करती है बे ऑफ बंगाल में, जिस कारण से इरेगुलर देखने को मिलता है और डिसकंटिन्यूअस भी है. Clear? It is discontinuous and irregular because it is dissected by rivers draining into the Bay of Bengal. Mahendragiri is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghat. जिस तरह वेस्टर्न घाट में अनाईमुद्दी हाईएस्ट पिक था, उसी तरह से ईस्टर्न घाट में, इन द ईस्टर्न घाट, महेंद्रगिरी इज द हाईएस्ट पिक in the Eastern Ghat, and there is Safroy Hills and Jawardi Hills are located to the Eastern Ghat. Its famous hill station is Oti. Okay, see, Mahendragiri is the highest peak and there Oti is the famous hill station. Now this region, this Deccan Plateau, it is also known as Deccan Trap. Deccan Plateau is also known as Deccan Trap due to the black soil area. And this black type soil is formed by the volcanic origin. Have the rocks are igneous. Actually, these rocks have denuded over time and responsible for the formation of black soil. टूट फूट उसमें होती गई और एक दिन ये फाइन पार्टिकल्स बन करके काली मिट्टी में परिवर्तित हो गई. The Aravalli Hill lie in the western and northwest margin of the Peninsula Plateau. These are highly eroded hill and are found as broken hills. It spread from the Gujarat to Delhi in southwest to northwest direction. जो अरावली की पहाड़ियाँ हैं जो उत्तर पश्चिम की ओर है, वह गुजरात से लेकर के दिल्ली तक ये फैली हुई है. Okay, now the next topic, that is the Indian desert. You know that our Indian desert is known as Thar Desert. The Indian desert, it lies towards the western margin of the Aravalli Hills. इंडियन डेजर्ट जो भारतीय मरुस्थल है, ये अरावली की पहाड़ियों के पश्चिमी ओर फैली हुई है. इट इज अनड्यूलेटिंग सैंडी प्लेन कवर्ड विथ सैंड ड्यून्स. ये ऊंचे नीचे रेत के टीले यहाँ पे देखने को मिलते हैं, रेत के टिल्ले या टिब्बे कहते हैं उसको. दिस रीजन्स रिसीव्स वेरी लो रेनफॉल बिलो 150 millimeter per year. It means 15 centimeter annual rainfall. It has arid climate with low vegetation cover. Streams appear during the only in rainy season. Soon after they disappear into the sand and they do not have been enough water to reach the sea. Luni is the large river in this region. वहाँ पे एक प्रमुख नदी बहती है जिसको लूनी कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज दैट इज द बरचांस. इट लुक लाइक ए क्रेसेंट शेप, दैट इज सैंड ड्यून्स, बट longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. If you visit Jaisalmer, you may go to see a group of Barchans. Okay, students, thank you. Next day I will tell you about the coastal plains of this chapter. Okay, thank you.